Hi, this is Silent Solution where another problem fixed. This is our Vmware Workstation. Have a many VMware, but we have not see our found in any VMware machine. Sometimes this problem facing that time how it solve it. This is my silent solution. Here is you can see my visit my channel and see many video and Linux DevOps cloud among Linux exam preparation class. Here is you can see and visit and our channel. Here is the DevOps, here is Linux, here is the IT related many type has a question and solution here. You can see and visit ourselves that how to fix this issue. Let's go first of all we are when we are close and again open. But again often not see our VM how to fix this issue. Let's go first of all we are here is viewing in no just hit click. Here is VM is ready. Here two VMs, here click as no VM. Here is click VM. Thanks for watching. We are